Hello, my lovely kids. This is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Math Skills Class 4 by G. Ram Books. So today we are starting Chapter 6, Decimals. Very interesting chapter. See, learning outcomes. इस chapter में हम क्या-क्या learn करेंगे? Decimals, writing 10th as decimal, writing 100th as decimal, writing 1000th as decimal, converting fractions into decimals, converting decimal into fractions, then converting mixed fractions into decimal numbers, then decimal fractions in place value chart, decimals in expanded form, and like and unlike decimals. Boot up. Now write the shaded fraction and its decimal equivalent of each shape below. हमारे पास कुछ shapes given है, हमें उनके according fraction लिखना है और decimal number लिखना है. See A part, we have here how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10. Out of 10, how many are shaded? 7 are shaded. So this becomes 7 upon 10. और इसको हम decimal form में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 0.7. Okay. Now come to B part. 10 equal parts. 4 are shaded. So 4 out of 10. 4 by 10. This is 0.4. Okay. Similarly, C part. We have 100 blocks over here and 9 are shaded. So 9 by 100. So this becomes 0.09. ऐसे D part में हमारे पास 10, 10 and 3. 23. 23 are shaded out of 100. So 23 upon 100 and it becomes 0.23. So very easy and very interesting. Decimals. When we write a given number, let us say 6273, the expanded form of this number denotes the value of each digit in the number. इसको हम expanded form भी लिख सकते हैं, like 6273. This is 6 into 1000 because 6 is at 1000 place. 2 is at 100 place, so 2 into 100. 7 into 10 plus 3 into 1 means 1's place, 10's place, 100's place and then 1000's place. So have you ever wondered how to represent the place value of fractions, parts less than 1? Let us learn it now. अगर number हमारा 1 से छोटा होगा, कोई proper fraction होगा, तो उसे हम कैसे represent करेंगे? Okay, see. Fractions can be written in a special way using a point dot called decimal. For example, 6 by 10 can be written as 0.6, 14 by 100 can be written as 0.14 and so on. So, thus the fraction in which the denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc. are known as decimal fractions. जब हमारा डिनोमिनेटर 10, 100 या 1000 आ जाएगा, वो क्या बन जाएंगे हमारे फ्रैक्शन? डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस. So decimal fractions have two parts. One is whole part and a fractional part. Both parts are separated by a dot or a point. So whole part is to the left of the dot and the fractional part is to the right of the dot. For example, in 0.23, so 0 is the whole part and this is the fractional part. Okay, so one factometer, in a decimal number, the decimal point separates the whole number part from the fractional part. A 0 or space before the point shows that the number has no whole number part. Okay, like here, there is no whole part. Fine. Now, the next is writing 10 as decimal. Take a strip of 10 units and color one part of it as shown. हमने क्या किया, एक स्ट्रिप में 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स लिए और एक पार्ट को शेड कर दिया. नाउ द कलर्ड पार्ट रिप्रेजेंट्स 1/10 और इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, 1/10, राइट. सो वी राइट इन डेसिमल फॉर्म एज 0.1 और कैसे रीड करेंगे, 0.1 वर्ड्स में. Similarly, take a strip of 10 units and color 7 parts of it. अब हमने 10 यूनिट्स लिए एंड देन 7 पार्ट शेड कर दिए. नाउ इट बिकम्स 7/10 और इट इज सेड टू बी 7/10, राइट. सो वी राइट इन डेसिमल फॉर्म एज 0.7 एंड वी रीड इट एज 0.7. ओके, सो नाउ writing 100th as decimal. Let us take a board or sheet of 100 equal parts as shown. हमने क्या किया, 100 equal parts लिए. You can see over here, right? Now color one part red. एक part हमने red लिया and 3 parts blue लिए हैं and 23 parts are green. Okay? Now the colored red part represents 1 out of 100, so 1/100. इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, 100th, th, 100th. Okay, then we write it in decimal form as 0.01. Okay, and we read it as 0.01. Similarly, 3 parts are blue, so blue parts represent 3/100 और 300 और decimal form क्या बन जाएगी, 0.03 and we read it as 0.03. Now green part, how many, 23, so 23/100 और हम इसे क्या बोलेंगे, 2300 and we write in decimal form as 0.23 और कैसे बोलेंगे, 0.23. Okay, so now absorbing facts, 0.523 is read as, कैसे रीड करना है हमें, 0.523, नो, ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे, हम सेपरेट कर देंगे. डेसिमल के बाद जितने डिजिट्स आएंगे उनको हम सेपरेट करके बोलेंगे. तो हम कैसे बोलेंगे, 0.523. This is the right way. Okay, second one. Fine. I hope these are clear to you. Now writing 1000 as decimal. अब हमने क्या किया, एक क्यूब लिया है. Let us take a cube of 1000 equal units. इसमें क्या है, 1000 units, all are equal. Now, if we color one cube out of 1000, we get 1/1000 or 1000, right? And we write in decimal form as 0.001. नीचे 3 zeros है तो डेसिमल भी क्या आ जाएगा, 3 डिजिट से पहले, राइट. सो 0.001, so we read it as 0.001. Similarly, when we color 13 cubes out of 1000, अब हमने 13 cubes को रेड कलर कर दिया. So what is the part, that is 13/1000. So we write in decimal form 0.013 and how we can read it, 0.013. Okay, so I hope these are clear to you. Very easy. Now come to exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Write the shaded and unshaded parts as common fractions and decimal fractions. One has been done for you. Like A part, here we have 10 parts total, 4 are shaded. So 4/10, 0.4. Unshaded 6/10, so 0.6. Similarly, B part, 3 shaded, 3/10, 0.3. And unshaded 7/10, 0.7. ऐसे हम C part कर लेंगे. Now, see second one, write the shaded parts as fractions and decimal fractions. One has been done for you. अब हमें A part में, इसमें हमें 100 blocks given है, जिसमें 6 shaded है, 6/100 यानी 0.06 बन जाएगा. Now B part, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3 and 4 means 34. 34 upon 100. It becomes 34 upon 100 means 0.34. ऐसे इसमें हम देखेंगे 1, 2 and this how many? ये आ गए 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27. So 27 by 100 means 0.27. Right? Okay. Now third question, complete the table below. हमारे पास fraction है like this, decimal है like this, then read as. Here we have to write in words. This is 0.2, it is 0.07. ऐसे इसे हम लिखेंगे 0.011. Okay, you can complete it. Very easy. Now converting fractions into decimal. अब हमें fractions को decimal में convert करना है. See, to convert a given fraction into decimal, we follow these steps. The first step, write the numerator of the given fraction and remove the denominator. Then step 2, count as many places in numerator from the right as many zeros given in the denominator and place the decimal point. हमें क्या करना है? हमें देखना है डिनोमिनेटर में कितनी जीरोस हैं. सी एग्जाम्पल 3/10. हेयर 1 0. तो हम क्या करेंगे? न्यूमरेटर में 1 डिजिट से पहले डेसिमल पॉइंट लगा देंगे. So here 3 only, so it becomes 0.3. Now 53 upon 100. अब नीचे 2 zeros है तो हमें 2 डिजिट से पहले डेसिमल लगाना है. Already we have 2 digits, 53, so it becomes 0.53. Here we have 297 upon 1000, यानी 3 डिजिट से पहले हमें डेसिमल लगाना है. Already we have 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. इससे पहले हम डेसिमल पॉइंट लगा देंगे. So answer is 0.297. Okay. Now converting decimals into fraction. अब हमें किसी डेसिमल नंबर को फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. Very easy. We have to follow these steps. Step 1, write the given decimal without the decimal point as the numerator. First of all, हम decimal point को remove कर देंगे. Now step 2, in the denominator put as many zeros to the right of 1 as the number of digits after the decimal point. अब decimal point के बाद जितने digits हैं हम उतनी zeros नीचे लगा देंगे denominator में 1 के साथ. See example 2.5. रिमूव करेंगे decimal, ये बन जाएगा 25. अब क्या देखेंगे? डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट हैं? 1. इट मीन्स हम नीचे लिख देंगे 10. 25 upon 10. Similarly 2.72. So here 272. Decimal के बाद how many digits? 2. So we will get 272 upon 100. Now here 0.005. 5 upon कितने digits है? 3. So 5 upon 1000. So like this. Okay. Any problem? I hope these are clear to you. Now converting mixed fractions into decimal numbers. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Mixed fractions को decimal numbers में convert करेंगे. See, consider the mixed fraction 2 whole 3/10. हमारे पास क्या है? 2 whole 3/10 means 1 whole, then 1 whole, and then 3 out of 10. 3/10. 3 parts are shaded out of 10. Okay. So this becomes 2 whole 3/10. And how we can write it? 2.3. Fine. Now we write it in decimal form as 2.3. We read it as 2.3. Okay. Now we are taking these 100 blocks. Here you can see 1 complete, 1. So it becomes 1, it becomes 1, and here 43 out of 100 are shaded. So this becomes 3 whole 43/100. And how we can write in decimal form? 3.43. Okay. Very easy and very interesting. So we write it in decimal form as 3.43 and we read it as 3.43. Now similarly, 12 whole 17 by 100 means 12.17. 4 whole 3 by 10 means 4.3. Then 183 whole 143 by 1000 means 183.143. Now decimal fractions in place value chart. अब हम बात करेंगे place value chart की. We have learned that in a place value chart, as we shift to the left, the place value increased by multiply by 10. In decimal fraction, as we move towards right, the value of the digit becomes 1 by 10 of its value at the preceding place. See, now look at the chart below. ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now decimal point, then 10, then 100, then 1000. Okay, so ones means 1, tens means 10, 100 means 100, 1000 means 1000 and 10,000 means 10,000. So 10th means 1 by 10 or 0.1. 100th means 1 by 100 or 0.01 and 1000th means 1 by 1000 or 0.001. Okay, it's clear to you? Now, decimals in expanded form. So, let us take a decimal fraction 274.195. एक हमने decimal number लिया है. Now, arranging it in place value chart. अब हम इसे arrange करेंगे place value chart में. See, first of all हम लिख देंगे ones, tens, 100 like this. Then decimal point, then 10, 100, 1000. Okay. Now first see the whole part. This is 274. So write the digits 4, 7, 2. Then decimal point. Now 1 is at 10th place. So 1 over here. 9 is at 100th place. So 9 over here. And 5 is at 1000th place. So 5 over here. Okay. Now expanded form हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 200 plus 70 plus 4 plus 1 by 10 plus 9 by 100 plus 5 upon 1000. Okay? Any problem? Is this clear to you? I hope you got it. Now like and unlike decimals. अब हम बात करेंगे like and unlike decimals की. Decimals having the same number of digits after the decimal point are called like decimals. Okay, and if the number of digits after the decimal point are not the same, then the decimals are called as unlike decimals. See, like decimals, अगर decimal point के बाद number of digits same होंगे, like here 0.253, 2.347, 7.123, decimal के बाद we have 3 digits and 4.005. So these are like decimals. And unlike decimals, you can see 0.2 1 digit है, 0.003 3 digits है, 3.516 इसमें भी 3 है, 4.0032 इसमें 4 है. तो all are different. So these are unlike decimals. Okay? Absorbing facts. 0 at the end of a decimal number do not change its value. अगर हम end में 0 लगा देंगे तो decimal number की value change नहीं होगी. For example, 2.5 and 3.345 are unlike decimals. But 2.500 and 3.345 are like decimals. हम इन्हें like बना सकते हैं 0 add करके, right? So here 2.5 is equal to 2.500. Now, let us attempt some examples. Example 1. Write the following as decimals. A part 3 by 10. So, this is 0.3. B part 4 by 100. This is 0.04. Now, C part 53 by 100. So, how you can write in decimal form? Decimal कहाँ आ जाएगा? 2 digits से पहले. That is 0.53. Now, D part 281 upon 1000 means 0.281. Then E part 72 upon 1000 means 0.072. Okay. So, I hope these are clear to you. Now, example 2, write the following as fraction. Like A part 0.7 हमें fraction form में लिखना है, यानी decimal point को remove करना है. Decimal जो है वो 1 digit से पहले है, तो this is 7 upon 10. Now B part 2.3, so 23 upon 10. Then C part 0.005, हम decimal remove करेंगे, ऊपर आ जाएगा 5 और decimal जो है वो 3 digit से पहले है, so this is 5 upon 1000. Now D part 4.12, so 412 बन जाएगा numerator और नीचे कितना आ जाएगा 100 because decimal is before 2 digits. Now E part 6.235, so 6235 और नीचे क्या आ जाएगा हमारा 1000 because decimal is before 3 digits. Now here F part 10.015, remove decimal point, ये बन जाएगा numerator और नीचे आ जाएगा 1000. Now G part 0.07, so this is 7 upon 100. Now H part 192.314, remove decimal, digit जो है कितने हैं 3 है after decimal, so we will write 1000. Okay. Now example 3. Write the number names of the following decimals. A part 0.03. तो आप words में लिख देंगे 0.03. Then B 21.53. Write in words. So 21.53. Now C part 317.025. Write in words. 317.025. Okay, similarly D part 6.009. So write in words 6.009. I hope these are clear to you. Okay, my children. So now the next is example 4. Write 398.246 in expanded form. And then write the place value of each of its digits. So now, placing this in the place value chart, तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा? पहले ones, tens, hundred, फिर decimal point, then 10, 100, 1000. हम numbers लिख देंगे according to place value. 398 है, so 893. Then decimal point, then 2, 4, 6. Now expanded form of 398.246. So this is 300 plus 90 plus 8 plus 2 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 6 by 1000. Now place value of 3 is 300. Place value of 9 is 90. Place value of 8 is 8. Place value of 2 is 2 by 10 means 0.2. Place value of 4 is 4 by 100 means 0.04. Then place value of 6 is 6 upon 1000 means 0.006. Okay, so I hope these are clear to you. Now example 5. Write the place values of underlined digits. अब हमें कुछ digits में underline किया हुआ है, उनकी place value find करनी है. See A part 16.005. 5 is at 1000 place. So 5 upon 1000 means 0.005. Now next B part 3.278. 2 is at 10th place, so 2 by 10, 0.2. Then C part 0.018 में 1 की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. 1 is at 100th place, so 1 by 100, so 0.01. Okay. Now example 6, write the following in short form. अब हमें short form में means actual number लिखना है. Expanded form given है, like A part 100 plus 70 plus 9, ये बन जाएगा 179 plus 2 by 10, this is 0.2. Now B part 6000 plus 200 plus 7 plus 5 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. So this becomes 6207, 6207 decimal. अब यहाँ पे 10th प्लेस पे कोई डिजिट नहीं है तो हम लिख देंगे 0, 100th पे 5 है, then 5 and then 3. Okay, you have to be very careful कि कौन से डिजिट गिवन है कौन से प्लेस पर. Right? I hope these are clear to you. Now exercise 6.2 based on such type of examples. Like question number 1, write the number name for each of the following. हमें क्या करना है? Number name means words में लिखना है. Like C part 1.017, तो हम words में लिख देंगे 1.017. So like this you can try these questions. Now the second one, write the following in figures. हमें words given है, हमें उसे figures में यानी numbers को लिखना है. Like B part 3.47, so 3.47, simple. D part 90.123, 90.123, so very easy. Okay. Now third question, write each of the following fractions as decimal. हमें fractions given है, decimal form में लाना है. Like B part 7/10. So this becomes 0.7, right? Now C part 23/100. So this becomes 0.23. ऐसे हम बाकी parts भी कर लेंगे. Now next is write the following decimals as fraction. अब हमें decimal numbers given है, उसे fractions में change करना है. Like here C part 0.007. आप देखो 7 आएगा न्यूमरेटर में और डिनोमिनेटर में कितनी जीरोस आ जाएंगी? डेसिमल के बाद वी हैव 3 digits, so 1000. So like this you can try remaining parts. Now come to fifth question, write each of the following decimals in the place value chart. So you know very well place value chart, how we can make it. So like here this B part 18.018. So what will you do? So you have to make place value chart like ones, tens, 100, okay, and here decimal point, then tenth, then 100th. You know very well, after decimal, tenth, then 100th, then 1000, okay, 1000. Right? So now here number is given 18.018. So first see this whole part 18. 8 is at 1's place and 1 is at 10's place. And here then decimal point. Here now 0. So 0 at 10th place and 1 at 100th place and 8 at 1000th place. Okay, so similarly you can try remaining parts, right? Now the next one, sixth question, write each of the following decimals in expanded form. Like C part 15.278. So 15. So 5 is at 1's place and 1 is at 10's place. So what will you write? 10 plus 5 plus. Now decimal part starts. So after decimal 2 is at 10th place. So 2/10 plus 7 is at 100th place. So 7/100 plus 8 is at 1000th place. So 8/1000. 1000. So this is the expanded form, right? So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to 7th question. Write each of the following in short form. Now B part, 600 plus 20 plus 1 upon 10 plus 3 upon 1000. So 600 plus 20, this becomes 620 because 6 is at 100 place, 2 is at 10's place and nothing at 1's place means 0. And now decimal part starts, so point. Now 1 upon 10, 1 is at 10th place, so there is no number at 100th place. So this becomes 0, then here 3. So this is the number in short form, right? Now the next 8th one, which of the following groups is of like decimals? Like decimals means after decimal point if number of decimal places are same. So like here B part, 7.677 and 4.55. Here we have 3 decimal places, here we have 2 decimal places. So these are not like. Okay, now C part, 0.786, 3.406. Here we have 3 digits after decimal. Here we have 3 digits after decimal. So these are like decimals. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Okay. Now this is the assessment time competency based question A part. Multiple choice question. Take the correct option. The first one, 6/10 is same as. 6/10 means 6 upon 10, that is B part, 0.6. Now the second question, 12 upon 100 is equal to 0.12. So answer is C option. Now the third one, 100 is equal to, that is 10 tens. 10 into 10, that is 100. So answer is A. Now the fourth one, the place value of 6 in this number, 432.176 is. So what is the place value of 6? So that is 6 upon 1000, C option. Now B part, filling the blanks. The first one, 1 by 10 plus 4 by 100 equals to 0.14. The second one, 60 plus 5 plus 4 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus 1 upon 1000. This becomes 65.461. Now the third one, 0.010, that is 10 upon 1000, or you can write 1 upon 100. Okay. Now the fourth one, 97 upon 1000, 0.097. We have to write the decimal before 3 digits. We have 2 digits, so we will write 0 here. So 0.097. The fifth one, 0.444. So we can write here 444 upon 1000. Okay, so I hope these are clear to you. Now the next skill based question, C part case study. Some balls have been assigned a tag with decimal numbers according to the weight of the ball. The balls are to be placed on the basis of the following criteria. So here box 1, box 2 and box 3 and some balls given here. Now answer these questions on the basis of the above data. The first one, how many balls with tag number less than 3 upon 10 should be placed in box 1? तो हम कितनी बॉल्स को बॉक्स 1 में प्लेस कर सकते हैं जिनका टैग क्या है? इट शुड बी लेस देन 3 upon 10 means it should be less than 0.3. So 0.3 से छोटे नंबर कौन से हैं? You just have to find out. So see, is this? No. This one? No. This one? No. This is 0.312. So this is more than 0.3. This is also greater. This is smaller than 0.3. So one ball. Then 0.611, no. 0.4600, no. 0.555, no. 0.887, no. 0.082, yes, this one. Then 0.001, yes, this one. And this one 0.888, no. So how many balls? 3 balls. So answer is first option 3. Okay. Now the second one, how many balls with tag number between 4 by 10 and 5 by 10 should be placed in box 2? यानी टैग नंबर 0.4 और 0.5 के बीच में होना चाहिए. So which one? So this one 0.312. Okay, this one no, this one no, this one no, this one 0.4600, yes. This one 0.555, no, it is bigger than 0.5. This is also bigger than 0.5. This is smaller than 0.4 and this is also smaller than 0.4. This is bigger. So which, how many? 2. So 2 balls. The third one. Okay. Now third question, how many balls with tag number more than 6/10 should be placed in box 3? More than 6/10 means more than 0.6. So 0.6 से कौन से number bigger है? This one 1.605, this one, okay. Now this one, right? So 1, 2, 3, this one also 4, this one is smaller, this one is smaller, this is also smaller, this one 5, this one smaller, this one smaller and this one is bigger. So how many? 6. Answer is 6, third option. I hope these are clear to you. So very interesting. Now come to word stock, expand, convert, strip, put to words and arrange. So I hope these are clear to you. Now this is the activity time, activity based on decimals. Objective: to understand the concept of decimal fraction. Intent or aim: to explain the concept of decimal through square blocks. So here we have one block, total square 100 and out of 100 17 are shaded. So 17/100, it means 0.17. Now see this one here, total 100 and 30 are shaded. So it will represent 30/100. So that is 0.30, right? Now see third one, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 10, 60 and 9. 69 are shaded out of 100. So 69/100 means 0.69. Okay. Now see the last one. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 10, 80 and 9. 89 out of 100. So 0.89. So I hope these are clear to you. Very interesting. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.